batiks that are so cute that I could use at home.
We can do like multiple designs with it, and it was firstly scary to do the hot wax, but once you get used to it, it'll start becoming very much more easier and comfortable.
I enjoyed learning how to play the angklung because it's a new experience for me. I can now understand more about Indonesian culture and respect it more.
I went to a chicken farm, I went to a cow farm, and a catfish farm.
I learned how to be confident and that like we can milk the cows, and that milking the cows is also hard and scary at first.
We went to the chickens to pick some eggs. I learned to be thankful for the people who's picking these eggs every day in hot in the sun. At the catfish farm, we learned how to take care of catfish.
We saw all the views, like all the mountains.
We saw trees.
I felt really surprised to finally see the view for once.
I felt fun, excited, and scared at the same time.
Suspension bridge is like a bridge on ropes, and there's like a bunch of wooden planks, but some planks are like wobbly and then like suspense, you know. After that, there's a bridge with ropes and a chair, and you go over a big trench.
In Kawarangangis, we walk down the forest and then we see a giant pit of sulfur. It smells really bad.
My favorite moment was learning about the difference of the local strawberries and the strawberries from other places such as Japan.
Picking up strawberries was also fun because we get to do it with our friends and pick the freshest strawberries ourselves.
I also really like how we get the chance to make strawberry jam because we don't get that chance like at home.